So if you have really bad anxiety, heart anxiety, you deal with panic attacks, health anxiety, all that fun stuff, this is a perfect example on how we catastrophize, how we think very irrational. So like a lot of you, I had really bad heart anxiety. I had bad anxiety, I knew that, but I also thought something was wrong with my heart because I got all the heart-related symptoms. So I always thought I was on the verge of having a heart attack. So having heart anxiety, pretty much anything triggered me, right? At the apex of my anxiety, but something that really got to me was driving anxiety. And I felt like I was gonna have a heart attack on the freaking road. So it would always start a few miles in, my chest would get tight, my heart rate would go up, my blood pressure would go up, all this numbness, the tingling, everything. I'd have to struggle through getting my groceries or running my errands. And then on the way back, it was off to the freaking races. And this is where it gets really irrational. On the way back, I'm speeding back to get home, okay? Whether it be 10 minutes or 30 minutes away, I'm trying to hurry up and get back home. Every red light feels like it's gonna be a death sentence. Any slow person in front of me, which it always seemed to happen when I had a panic attack, was right in front of me, right? Like, move around, come on. I'm gripping the steering wheel. I'm driving a little faster than I should be. And this is the irrational part. If I can just get back home, I won't have a heart attack. If I can just get back home, I'm not going to die. Think about that. That's how irrational we think. I got news for you, especially if you're dealing with health anxiety and heart anxiety. A heart attack isn't gonna wait around until you get back home to happen. And sure as hell is not gonna go away once you get back home. Just kidding, like a heart attack has a mind of its own, or an aneurysm or a stroke or whatever it is that you fear that's a medical emergency. It doesn't have a mind of its own. So it's not gonna be like, oh, you got back home, just kidding. I'm not gonna give you that stroke. I'm not gonna give you that heart attack, bro. I'm glad you made it back, and I'm glad you got back here quick, because I was about to do it to you on Highway 59. Anxiety is freaking real, bro. I'm telling you, it'll make you think stuff like that. Share this if this is you.